How to fix YouTube monetization not working. Well, to fix YouTube monetization issues, you want to check your channel's status in YouTube Studio. So you'll need to head over to studio.youtube.com, or you can also get the application, and then you will be able to see your monetization details. So here I'm trying to continue here. I'm facing some internet issues. Either ways, once you continue to Studio, head over to the Earnings tab, the Money tab, and you'll be able the Monetization tab, and you'll be able to see the community if you have received any problem. So common solutions include linking an active AdSense account. If you have copyright or community guideline strikes, you want to resolve that, and correcting your country of residence settings. Now, if you sometimes YouTube also stops your or pauses your monetization for reused content. So you can get reused content. I literally got it on my two different channels, but I was able to restore the monetization by sending an appeal video. So if you're getting reused content error and it is showing that you have reused content and that your monetization has been paused or stopped, then what you want to do is you want to make a video on how you create your content, and you want to submit it to YouTube. So that way you'll be able to fix the issue as well. I'll make a detailed video on how you can fix the reused content error. But hope this video was helpful. For now, do like and subscribe.